Good afternoon, Saurabh. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. What about you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Can you tell me something about yourself?
Yes, sir. My name is Saurabh Bhosle. Basically, I'm from Kolhapur, Maharashtra. I done my post graduation having major in computer science. After
Hmm.
that, I joined one institute where I learned manual testing, Java, and automation. And I have knowledge on API, basic knowledge on API testing, as well as during my training, I have prepared one framework, automation framework. So coming to my hobbies are mobile photography and dance. This is
Okay.
all
Great.
about me. Thank you.
Great. Okay. Now, in your resume, you have also written that you have good knowledge on core Java aspect as well, like core Java
Yes,
programming language.
yes, yes.
Right. So, can you tell me why we tell Java it is like writing once and run anywhere? Why is Java called or have this kind of nature? Write once and run anywhere.
Yes, sir. Actually, Java is platform independent because, like, we write a program in like any Eclipse IDE, we write it will convert into dot class file, and
Hmm.
that class file will run in any system. Like if you have Windows, if you have Mac, in Linux, it can run anywhere. So we can say that it's platform independent.
Correct. So basically Java compiler, it will convert the Java programs into the class file that is bytecode, which is the intermediate language and between the source code and the machine code. Okay. And this particular bytecode is not platform specific, can be executed on any of the computer, irrespective of its nature. So that's why it is called write once and run anywhere. Now, okay. Now, if I write a Java program and instead of I write static public void. Okay. Now, normally we are writing public static void, but instead of public static void, if I write static public void, then will my program get compiled?
Uh, Come again, sir. I didn't understand. Instead,
Okay. Sure. I'll come back. I'll come again.
uh,
Let's say while writing a Java program, we are writing public static void. Instead of public static void, we are writing static public void. Will my Java program get compiled?
no, sir. Like we have to write public static, like it's standard format. This way.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first of all, your program actually would get compiled, right? Because the
Yeah.
order of specifiers, it does not matter in Java. Whether you write static public void or you write public static void, it does not matter for Java. The program will compile and run correctly as well.
Okay.
Okay. Now, what is the default value of the local variables?
Like local variable default value. Local variable don't have default value. We
Mm-hmm.
have to give value in local variable.
Correct. Which are the various access specifiers in Java?
Access specifier means like we have uh, private, public, protected, default. These are
What is the difference between private and public and protected? Can you tell me? Can you explain in one line?
yes, sir. Public means, sir, we can access, like if we give the public, we can access anywhere. If we give the private, we can access within the class. And protected means we can access within the package only.
Correct. Now, have you joined from mobile or laptop?
Laptop, sir, laptop.
Laptop. Okay. So I'll tell you to write some Java program. Can you share
Okay.
your screen? You can open Notepad or IntelliJ, whichever you are convenient with.
Okay, sir. So my screen is visible. Visible.
No. You'll have to share your screen. You'll have to click on that green option. Just click on that green button, share screen.
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes. Is it visible, sir?
Yes. Your screen is
Yes.
visible.
Yes.
Okay. Now you are supposed to write a Java program to print a star. Okay.
Start.
Yeah. First, you can write the program and then you can explain.
What I have to print, sir? Star only.
Star. Yeah. The star pattern.
Pattern.
Yeah.
Any pattern, sir?
Any.
Any pattern.
Yeah, any pattern you can.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you show me the output once?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now I want some changes in this output. At the
Yes, sir.
very first line, I should get 1 star. In the second line, I should get 2 stars. In the third, it should be 3, and at the end, there should be 4 stars. So in the hierarchy of 1, 2, 3, 4, then what changes will you do in your code?
Yes, sir. Just I have to change that.
Hmm,
Instead of 4, I can compare with the I.
hmm.
So it will get like okay.
Correct. Now
Yes.
let's print the reverse way. The first place it should be 4 stars. The second, so earlier we printed ascending order. Now let's go for descending order.
Okay.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Now I want you to automate. So you have already Selenium, you have got Selenium
Yes.
libraries into this particular project, right? So now
Yes.
what? Huh? You have it, Saurabh?
Actually, I have, but my it's my friend laptop actually. So sorry about that.
Okay.
My
Friends laptop.
in my laptop. Yeah.
Okay. Fine. So would you be able to automate a particular website if I give it to you?
Yes, sir.
You will be able to automate.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to open the Gmail page. Okay.
Yes.
Gmail page. In that you will get register option and sign in option. So click on register. That thing you have to automate. Yeah. Can you share the screen of the automation that you are creating?
Wait. So my screen is not visible.
Actually, Eclipse is visible in which we were
Eclipse.
writing star-based program.
This is visible. Okay.
Mhm. Yeah.
Now I have. Okay. Okay.
Hmm.
I'll do again.
At the time of screen sharing, you can select the entire window. So whichever screen you will move to, so we can see that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So you got what we have to automate, right? We need to automate. Yeah. Yeah,
Now,
just
now it is visible, sir.
yes, visible. Just log out from this account.
Okay.
Okay. So there will be a Gmail link. Yeah. Yeah. Just continue. No. Just log out from this account. Yeah. Now,
This
I
this
want
one.
you to launch this Gmail page and
Okay.
select another account. Use another account.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. I will.
Yeah. And you have to click on register button. So you have to create a new Gmail account for via this automation. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. Is it done?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So you can remove this. Yeah, you can remove this void main. Only one void main is enough. Now
Yes,
run
yes.
this code. What happened? You're getting some error. What error is coming?
Selenium error something.
Hmm.
Session not
Session.
created. Okay, I have to run again. Session something. Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Session error something.
Okay. Session not created. Okay.
Yeah.
Why this error is coming? Any idea about it?
Uh, Something like browser is launched.
Hmm.
No idea, sir.
Mhm. No issues. You can think.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
Maybe driver.
Mhm.
No.
So what can happen is either you are not using the correct Chrome driver, which is not
Uh-huh.
compatible with the Chrome browser. That can be one of the issue for this. Okay, so you'll have to check the version of the Chrome browser, and you'll have to download the Chrome driver accordingly. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
then automatically this error would get resolved. Okay,
Yes.
either you can upgrade to the newer Chrome version, or you can check the Chrome driver compatibility. Okay, so both
Yes.
the things you'll have to take care.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So that thing you can do,
Yeah.
because see, Chrome browser version is updating every day. Okay, so you
Yes.
need to use the exact Chrome driver version according to the Chrome browser that
Yes.
you are using. Okay, then
Yes, sir.
fine. So this is a thing.
Yeah.
Okay, now you can stop sharing your screen, and
Yes, sir.
yeah, I want you to give me, yeah, I want you to give me the test scenarios for a pen driver. Sorry, not pen driver, pen drive.
Pen drive.
Mhm.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Verify that user is able to connect the pen drive to the laptop.
Mhm.
Verify that size of the pen drive. Verify that company of the pen drive. Verify that user is user friendly, like user friendly or user friendliness of a pen drive.
Mhm.
User is verify that user is able to connect that pen drive to what are the sockets given to the laptop. Verify that user is able to like um, verify that user is able to connect the pen drive and remove the pen drive. Verify that user is continuously use that pen drive, still it's working fine. Check whether it is working fine or not.
Mhm.
Verify that user is able to store data inside the pen drive. Verify that user is able to copy data from pen drive. This can.
Mhm. Okay. So few of the test scenarios which you covered, you mentioned it very rightly. We will be verifying whether the pen drive can connect properly with the system, or these days the pen drive have come which are directly connecting to the mobile, so system, laptop or mobile also. Then if there is some LED available in the pen drive, so we would be verifying whether the LED is available in the pen drive, whether the LED works properly, whether the size of the
Yes.
pen drive is compact. Then we will check the memory of the pen drive. Then we will test whether the pen drive is able to store the files of various sizes, right? All the formats of the files should be supported, should be saved within by a pen drive. Then we would be checking whether the data can be retrieved in pen drive or not, right? Then we would be verifying whether the pen drive memory can be erasable and can be reusable. Pen drive should not get corrupted when transferring the data, right? And let's say if you are connected the pen drive to the PC, and when you click on start, select my computer, right click on the removable drive and open. So are you able to see some error or warning, right? That this
Yes,
particular, yeah, that those
yes,
kind
sir.
of messages. Then proper storage space is available or not. Let's say if it's a 16 GB pen drive or 32 GB pen drive, then that kind of storage space is available or not, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
those are the additional scenarios that you can test.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mhm. Okay. Saurav, can you give me 2 to 5 minutes, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sure, sure,
No, no,
sure.
not to you. Actually, to Saurav
Yeah,
Chatterjee.
sure. No problem.
Yeah, yeah.
So I
So,
will join at 1:36.
yeah, yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Today, back-to-back interviews are there. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
No issues. So now, yeah, can you tell me what is the difference between smoke testing and sanity testing?
Yes, sir. Smoke testing and sanity. Smoke testing is actually documented. Done and sanity testing is not documented. The smoke testing done by the developer as well as test engineer. Sanity testing done by only test engineers. And another things are like smoke testing means. Can I give one example? If I
Sure.
yeah, yeah. If you are buying any pen, we test that pen is like writing or not. But in sanity, we in depth we are checking like it is writing proper words, it is comfortable or not. It's in depth we can see that.
Mhm.
Sanity testing. It
Right.
is and smoke testing is a part of acceptance testing, and sanity is a part of regression kind of.
Correct, correct. So thank you so much, Saurabh, for joining for the interview today. Yeah, it
Yes, sir.
was nice talking to you, and all the best for your career as well. Any questions for me?
Yes, sir. What I need to improve, sir?
I think you are good in Java. You were able to create that automation script as well, but just take care of these exceptions. If the exception is
Yes,
coming
sir.
in an interview, so
Yeah.
you should be aware why this exception has come. At least you should be able to justify the
Yes, sir.
things. Once you get into the company, there will be other members who would be helping you, right? You can
Yeah.
search online also for that exception, but in an interview, you will have to justify. Okay, this exception
Yeah.
might be coming. They might would have intentionally given you the system in which Chrome driver is not compatible with the Chrome browser. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so you should be able to speak at that time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
rest all looks good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
especially that star thing, you were able to play with the for loop. That was a good thing. I really
Yes, sir.
liked it.
Yes.
Yeah, so all
Thank
the
you.
best for your interview. Keep in touch,
Yes, sir.
and if you, yeah, yeah,
One thing, sir. Thanks for giving that opportunity. I'm just waiting for long back, so
yeah. Actually,
really thanks.
yeah, I saw your comments on the channel, but I'm
Yeah.
not able to take the interviews apart from Saturdays and Sundays. So
Yes,
it's
sir.
a bit difficult for me. Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you, sir.
Yeah.